Hey everyone, my name is Joanne Smith and welcome to Joanne's Corner. In today's tutorial, we're going to be making stuffed peppers. First of all, I have 5 large green bell peppers. You're welcome to use the red ones, the yellow ones, whichever ones you want to use. We're going to preheat our oven to 425, so mine's doing that right now. We're going to take our peppers and cut the tops out of them. You just take your knife and go around the top, and then you can pull it out, put a little stopper out here. And I like to peel out the seeds and just throw them in a dollar store bag or something that I got here. And I've still got some seeds down in there, so I'm going to wash all my peppers, but I'm going to do this to all my peppers first. You want to use 1 can of Spanish rice, or I can't find the canned Spanish rice, so I'm using the Knorr rice sides, the Spanish rice blend. So you just need to fix it according to the directions on the package. And we're going to need this is a 15-ounce can of tomato sauce, and I have a pound of ground beef, and I'm going to be frying this. And what we want to do, we just want to brown this and then drain the grease off of it, okay? And I'll be back with you. So I have my ground beef frying, and here is my Spanish rice mixture that is cooking over here. And also I've got some water that I'm bringing to a boil, and I'm going to bring my peppers over here when this starts to boil, and I'm going to boil them for 5 minutes. And then we're going to take them out and put them in a 13x9 pan that's been sprayed with non-stick cooking spray. Just know that when you put your peppers in the boiling water, it usually stops the boiling process. So just let it start boiling again, and then you can just boil them for 5 minutes. I have boiled the peppers for 5 minutes. So what we're going to do here is be very careful taking these out, because this water can pour back on you. But I just use one of these gripper things and just pour the water out, and then I'm going to place them in my dish. And just do that until we've got them all taken out. Now that we've got our peppers in our pan, we've got 5 peppers, so you'll need 5 pieces of Kraft Singles American sliced cheese, and we're going to put 1 slice inside the peppers, and then we'll fill them with the stuffing, and then put a slice of cheese on top, okay? And you'll probably have to bend this in 2 or just however, but you can fold it. But we just want to put this cheese in the bottom of our peppers while they're good and hot. In a large bowl, we're going to put our tomato sauce and our ground beef that we've drained, and our Spanish rice. And we're going to mix this up. After it's well blended, we're going to take a spoon and we're going to put it into our peppers one at a time until they're full. My mixture was just enough to stuff all the peppers with equal amounts. And now we're going to take a piece of cheese and just kind of tuck it down in the top. You can use shredded cheese if you want, but I like the flavor that the American cheese gives it, the Kraft Singles. It just gives it a really good taste. If you want to do these a little more neater than I'm doing them, that would probably be better. But we're going to put this in our 425-degree oven until our cheese is melted and slightly browned, and we'll be right back. These have been in the oven for about 15 minutes, and I didn't let them get real brown or anything on top. I just let the cheese melt really good, and they look amazing. And that's how you make stuffed peppers. If you found my video informative, please like my video and subscribe to my channel, and we'll see you soon.